I made a basic arithmetic calculator for my final project. These are the libraries I used. These are the global variables I have declared. I used a for loop to declare the buttons 1 to 9 in a grid system on the numpad frame. Then there's the 0 button, followed by the negative toggle and the decimal point button. Then I used another for loop to create the operator buttons, like plus, minus, multiplication and the equal button. Then I made the clear button, which will clear the input box, followed by the factorial button. The first custom function I've written is the enter number function, which does the basic operator maths. I used a regular expression here, which I made to check equation validity. It's needed because I'm using evil function to do the maths, and evil is dangerous too, as it can be used to type harmful commands. But here, I've made it defensively using regular expressions. The second custom function I've written is the toggle mode button to toggle negative or positive numbers. The third and last custom function I've written is the factorial function, which will print the factorial of a number or the solution of an equation. It also uses the same regular expression as enter number function, and the factorial function from the math library. Now I will run the program. This was CS50 Python. Thank you to everyone who helped me.